Hello G, my name is Fatma Rao and welcome to my channel, and I'll be very pleased if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Okay, so basically I just applied my nails. After that I'm using this tool and I'm making black dots with it. I'm using a black nail paint. Now I'm taking the same tool and I'm going to make petals around it, the black part, and I am using the green nail polish and I am making petals. कुछ भी बना लो यार, बस ऐसे लगे कि फूल बना रहे हो, ठीक है। So now I'm just applying green nail polish on my remaining nails. So while I was applying the nail paint, मेरी nail paint थोड़ी बाहर चली गई थी on the skin, and now I'm removing it with this brush. So this is how it looks after applying the nail paint on the remaining nails. Okay, so at last I am just applying this nail polish setter on my nails. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And yeah, make sure to like the video. Bye.